Hi everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun craft in honor of St. Patrick's Day. We're going to make our own pipe cleaner shamrock rings. You can come by the library to pick up your pipe cleaners, and we're going to do two different methods today. So the first one I'm going to show you, you're going to need three 12-inch pipe cleaners. I decided to switch it up and make it a little bit fun, so I've got three different colors today instead of all green. So for your first pipe cleaner, you're going to want to line all of them up end to end like this. You are going to want to place them around the finger that you want to make the ring for. So leaving about 4 inches on one side. So I'm just going to estimate, but you can use a ruler if you're feeling not confident on how much that is. So I'm going to do this finger. That's about 4 inches. And I'm going to wrap the pipe cleaner around my finger like this, like so, and then I'm going to twist it twice. So I'm going to take these three and twist it like this. So I just twisted it 2 times, and making sure that it fits, the loop fits over your finger so you can get it on and off. So that was my test. You want to leave about 1 inch, which is about what we have on the short part, to make your stem. And so now we are going to twist these together a few times to make your stem. So you can actually take the ring off at this point. It makes it a little bit easier. So you take the short ones, twist a few times like this. So just like that. And you're going to point it towards the bottom of the ring. And now what we're going to do is we're going to spread out the 3 remaining pipe cleaners. Try to get them as even as you can. It's kind of tricky. Something like this above our stem. So now I'm going to take 1 pipe cleaner and I'm going to do a tight spiral all the way along the pipe cleaner. So I'm just taking my pipe cleaner and tucking it into a spiral like this. So it looks like this. Keep going. I'm actually going to pause the video. I'll do the other 2 and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished rolling my 3 shamrocks. The final step is just to kind of finesse it the way you want it to look. So I'm trying to bend it a little bit more to have the 3 shape that I want. And then my stem is a little bit long, so I'm actually just going to bend it upwards like this, tuck it behind. So the stem is about 1 inch, and then my ring is ready. So that's your first ring you can make. The second ring you can make, so for this one, you need 3 6-inch pipe cleaners. So from the library, you're going to get 12-inch pipe cleaners. Just go ahead and cut them in half, and then that'll give you what you need. So for this one, you're going to line up the 3 like you did before, and you're going to twist together the ends about 3 inches, so that's about half of the pipe cleaner. So we're just going to twist like this. I'm twisting, it's actually a little bit harder than it looks. It's easier if you start from the middle and work your way out like this. So twist, twisting, twisting, twisting. Okay. So now I'm going to wrap the twisted part of the pipe cleaners around my finger that I want it to wear. So like this, and then I'm going to twist it together to make the ring loop 2 times. And I need a little more space because you want to leave 1/2 inch for your stem. So going a little bit higher just so I can have a stem. It's a little bit, I will say it's a little trickier to work with the shorter pipe cleaners. I thought it was easier with to use the longer ones. Okay, so now I've got a little bit of a, you can see that for a stem, the little bottom part. So I'm pointing my stem downwards like I did before. And now I'm going to spread my 3 pipe cleaners above like I did before as well. So here's my stem, here's my 3 pipe cleaners, and here's my loop. And now I'm going to pinch my small pipe cleaner into a circular shape to make the first loop. So this one's not as complicated because you're not doing the intense spirals, you're just pinching it into a shape, into the circular shape like this. I actually thought this one was harder, believe it or not, because it's the smaller materials to work with. And you have to do a little bit of finagling to get them. You might want to pinch them a few times to get the shape you want. I'm gonna twist my stem a little bit more. So now I've got my 3 shamrocks, my stem, and my loop, and I'm ready to wear my ring. So this was my second one I made. This is my first one I made. So you can kind of see the difference. So I hope you enjoyed this program. Stop by the library and pick up your pipe cleaners. I'll see you soon in the next program. Bye.